Hey guys, Godric here with my friends Turtle and Madnius, and we are on our way to Yule. Yule is a yearly event that is put on by the Amtgard Kingdom, the Kingdom of the Rising Winds. Yule is one of the biggest tournaments of the year for this kingdom, as it hosts both a fighting tournament and an arts and science tournament. So I wanted to get some footage for you guys of this fighting tournament, but it was pouring rain, so that was a no-go for us. But for those of you who are not familiar with Amtgard or Amtgard Combat, it is a boffer LARP that is located mainly in the United States. You can find out more about this game by going to their website. I'll link it below for you. My friends, Madnius, and quite a few of my other friends fought in this tournament. Madnius ended up placing 4th place, which is actually really good. I was surprised at how many people decided to show up and fight in the rain. It was a really good turnout. But while the fighting tournament was going on, there was also an art and science tournament going on at the same time. I was one of the judges, and my friend Turtle shadow judged with me. This means that she wasn't one of the judges putting numbers down on the paper, but she was learning how to do so in the future. We walked through all the decisions that I was making throughout the day, and she was able to walk alongside and see how we as the judges do things, so that way she'll be able to do it in the future. Well, we got some really great items, and I'm just going to shut up now and let you go through and watch the footage of some of these amazing entries that everyone entered. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this short video. I'm glad that you came along for the journey. If you like this content and would like to see more of it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button below. My name is Godric Gray, and we'll see you next time.